O pior é que ela nem me viu, ó. Chega em casa. Olha isso. Cheguei. Que bonito, hein? Que cena mais bonita.
Ó, Nicole, cuidado, Nicole.
You are trying to be a spooky predator of the night, but the autumn aesthetic is just too strong to ignore. You are dead inside, but the chin scritches are life. Orange Cat was teaching a masterclass on pedicures until the dog showed up and ruined the aesthetic. Luckily, the kittens put on their Sunday best to save the timeline. From chaos to dapper in 5 frames. Favorite shoes smell like tuna and bad decisions, but you are too committed to the scent to stop now. Cat is playing a high-stakes game of patty cake, but the squirrel didn't read the terms and conditions of the... Screen says intermission, but your dog says it is wrestling season. This golden really went from main character to stage hazard in 3 seconds flat. 1 minute he is... You hit that one specific spot on your neck and accidentally reboot your entire system. Human says we are going to the park, but then you see the sign for the vet. You Or 100 fluff but still trying to act like a cold-blooded apex predator. Typical Monday. Local Tabby experiences his first ever brain massage and realizes he has been settling for mediocre head scratches for 7 years. If he looks any more enlightened, he might actually start paying rent. Reality is officially ruined. You realize your free trial of being a wild animal has expired and now you have to become a functional member of society. You show up to the dinner party only to realize you are the main course and you were not prepared for this level of social responsibility. I told my cat to read the sign, but she decided to use the doorframe as a balance beam instead. Trying to be a fierce predator, but the hand of destiny decided it was time for a head pat instead. My reputation as a tiny tiger is officially ruined. Find a glitch in the matrix, but your roommate is already over it. Your legs are only 3 inches long, but your main personality trait is being a dramatic vertical being. Orange Cat software glitches and accidentally installs the Otter update. Your boss starts the meeting, but the supervisor is already deep into their 3rd nap of the day. Employee of the month goes to the one in the stripes for maintaining peak office. You realize that being a good boy is great, but being a tree-climbing squirrel hunter is your true calling. Gravity was never part of the plan. cat is calculating the exact trajectory required to ruin every single one of those cards while maintaining eye contact with the person filming. Standard void behavior. Would you like me to write a few more options with a different tone? Landlord asks why the ceiling is peeling and you have to explain that your cat thinks he is a professional interior decorator or a structural engineer testing the drywall for weaknesses. Tell your cat to find a job and he actually becomes the highest paid DJ in the city. From nap time to track time. You are trying to be mad, but your best friend is a professional tail wrestler. No thoughts, just whack. Trying to mind your own business, but you can literally feel someone opening a snack in the other room. The recipe called for 1 cup of ginger, not the whole root. This soup is a bit fuzzy and keeps meowing at me. Would not recommend, 110 stars. You try to high-five your friend but realize you both have the same level of hand-eye coordination. Security camera is just making sure the cat clock doesn't wander off. Either that or the surveillance state. The audacity of this human thinking a single forehead pet compensates for the 3-minute delay in my